The backward feature elimination technique is mainly used while developing linear regression or logistic regression model. Below steps are performed in this technique to reduce the dimensionality or in feature selection. In this technique, firstly, all the n variables of the given dataset are taken to train the model. The performance of the model is checked. Now we will remove one feature each time and train the model on n1 features for n times, and will compute the performance of the model. We will check the variable that has made the smallest or no change in the performance of the model, and then we will drop that variable or features. After that, we will be left with n1 features. Repeat the complete process until no feature can be dropped. In this technique, by selecting the optimum performance of the model and maximum tolerable error rate, we can define the optimal number of features required for the machine learning algorithms. We will choose the highest p-value, which is for x1 equals 0.953 now. We have the highest p-value which is greater than the SL value, so we'll remove the x1 variable, dummy variable, from the table and will refit the model. After refitting, whichever p-value is greater than SL that will be removed until there are p-values which are less than SL.